That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, on a balcony in Brooklyn, New York. And guess what? It's a beautiful day here in New York City. Just take a look at the background. We've got some beautiful gray rain clouds, cold weather, umbrellas everywhere. It's beautiful. Well, it's not that great, but to be honest with you, it's been a beautiful day on the markets, and it's an even more beautiful day. Do you know why? Because it's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed. Yes, the French team LOSC is losing right now, sadly. Sorry, Sebastian. But guess what? It's also time for happy hour in New York City. Labels out. Now, today was a thankful Thursday of sorts for many investors as U.S. stocks, they climbed, lifting the Dow and the S&P 500 to records once again, following upbeat economic reports in the United States and assurances from ECB President Mario Draghi that the ECB, the European Central Bank, for those of you that don't know, would adopt further easing measures if need be. So let's first begin with the ECB, shall we? Speaking at a news conference after the European Central Bank maintained its key interest rate at record low levels, Super Mario Draghi gave the markets exactly what they wanted to hear. The ECB officials were unanimous in the view that they would take additional steps if need be to help out the Eurozone economy. Meanwhile, back here in the good old US today's economic reports added to the rise after the number of Americans filing for jobless benefits fell by 10,000 to 278,000 last week. That's better than the expected 285,000. Now you team that with an array of corporate reports and yet another session of slides in both oil and gold prices, and you have yourself the following session, where for every 7 shares falling, more than 8 rose over there somewhere at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out today's quite busy Thursday session. And lastly, on the corporate front, shares of Tesla Motors rising today after the electric car maker forecast several years of substantial sales growth. And we have Genworth Financial tanking after its CEO apologized for the financial services company's earnings miss. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. Once again, can't show any labels. And yeah, tomorrow's Friday. The weekend's almost here. And I'll see you all tomorrow in the morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.